Hello, welcome to our room in Japan, and we are staying over here for a couple of months. So let me show you around our cozy little place and some of the stuff that we brought along. This room comes fully furnished with everything we need. We have a bed, we have a table and a chair, air conditioner, and a fridge over there, and a cabinet, and even the curtains. There are a lot of wall sockets in the room, and let me show you. We have one over here powering the fridge. We use one of them as a charging station to charge our drone, our camera, and other electronic stuff. Beside the table, there's an outlet with 3 sockets. They have also 2 TV ports and even a built-in Wi-Fi modem, which is really cool. We usually use our outlets to charge our computer. The last outlet is over the bed, and it is connected to the bed frame. We can charge our phone right on the bedside, and there's even LED lights here. Everyone have their own fridge in their private room, so we don't have to worry about anyone stealing our food. There's also a freezer compartment down there. On top of the fridge, we keep some essentials that we often use, such as the pasta, the bread, snacks, and the pan. We ended up buying our own pan because the one in the shared kitchens are terrible. The surfaces are all scratched up, and I've heard that using them can be really toxic and unhealthy. We also reuse this hanger from the sleeper that we bought in Japan to hang all those grocery bags and the umbrella. So this is where I keep most of my clothes, as the cabinet has a limited space. I'll show you up in a bit. And up there we have toiletries that we carry to our shower room. At the top compartment we have our rice, our detergent, body shampoo, a laundry net, and also we also bring our thermos for the winter to keep our drinks warm. As you know, the restaurant in Japan, they still serve ice cold water. So this cabinet has only 2 compartments. At the top we put our hiking bag, drone bags, camera bags, and our daily bag. So at the bottom compartment we hang our jacket and towel. We have our down jackets packed in the luggage, and we will put them out in a few weeks time when the temperature gets colder. And luggage over here is where Adeline keeps her clothes. It can be quite inconvenient, but yeah, it works for now. One of us will work here at a small table, and the other heads to the co-working space. We take turns, but it's usually Adeline who works here. We carry 2 laptops with us to Japan. I'm using the 16 inches MacBook Pro and Anthony is using the 14 inches one. Mine is quite heavy since I write a lot of codes on the laptop and I also need to use it to edit the videos and photos all in one screen. So I really appreciated the 2 extra inches of real estate. We brought our own bed sheets and pillowcases, and we are using our sleeping bag and the camping pillows here. The sleeping bags are from Oakhouse. They are very reliable and famous brand in Japan. They've got the ones rated for -5 degrees Celsius, but they are comfortable to sleep in temperature above freezing. We got this camping pillow from Nature Hike, and it is inflatable, so it's super easy to carry around. We always carry it on our flight, so it can be used as a back support. And it has a curve that we can rest our neck on it when we are sleeping. Like this. Under the bed, we have 3 drawers to store our hiking, camping, and camera gears. Let me show you. We have the winter hiking pant from Decathlon. There's a fleece lining inside to keep us warm. And at the outside, it is water resistance and also wind resistance. So it will be very helpful against the snow and the strong wind. And these are the crampons that we're gonna use during the winter hike. So it is attached to our shoes, and the spikes here provide extra grip against the snow. We bought it from Amazon and we haven't used it yet. Hopefully it won't fall apart the first time we use it. We also have the face mask to protect us from the UV light during the hike. The glove, if not mistaken, I bought this glove in Switzerland a few years ago, and yeah, it is from Black Diamond. And I also have this beanie to keep my head warm. And on the second drawer, let's start with the jet boil cooking system. Yeah, so you probably see it a lot during our hiking video. You see the boiled water and then just put it in our instant noodles. It's powered by the gas canister and it can boil half a liter of water in around 2 minutes time, so it's pretty fast. Yeah, it works in the winter as well. Next, it is the Thermarest sleeping pad. It's inflatable and it's really light and portable. And we have the hiking poles. So this is our tent from Oakhouse. It is the inner tent, and this one is the rainfly, which is used as the outer tent for 3 seasons. If you want to do some winter camping, then we definitely need to buy the snowfly as well. And the last drawer is where we store our camera gears. Yeah. This is the DJI Air 3 drone. It is pretty lightweight, but it is still strong enough to fight against the wind, the strong wind in the mountains. It is the controller and extra batteries. And we also have the portable vlog cameras, DJI Pocket 3. Yep. So we also have the Sony mirrorless camera that we are using right now. And in this pouch we have the microphone and a charger for my toothbrush, memory cards, lens cleaner, and finally we have our balcony over here. And one thing I like about Japan is they have these layers of nets which can be used to block off the bugs from flying into your room when you close it.
We dry our clothes out here when the weather is nice. The hanger is retractable, so we have some space to sip our coffee and enjoy the morning sunlight. And here is our bean sprout vegetable that we bought a few days ago. We cut off the upper part and left the lower part for regrow, giving us another batch for meals.
This is our second time renting Oakhouse in Japan. We have really enjoyed it so far. It is a perfect place for us to rest and work between the adventures. We prepare our meals in the shared kitchen and have made a lot of awesome friends from all over the world. If you are a short-term traveler looking for a place to rent in Japan, feel free to check out my referral link in the description box below, where we can have rebates for our rent. Yeah. Well, I hope you enjoy the room tour. We'll show you the share house facilities in the post scene. Let us know what you think about them in the comments below. And we'll see you soon in the next adventure. Bye bye!
So in Japan, when we do online shopping, there's this feature that we really love about it, where they actually put this inside our letterbox. Yep. So this is the passcode for retrieving our parcel in the locker, which is over here. 7. And you open it. Yeah. So this is the parcel that we have been waiting for.